Hello everyone, today we are going to see one of the best copywriting tool in the market, which is called AnyWord. So for using AnyWord, you can generate an ad copy for any social media platform, and which is very engaging to the users. It also have a predictive score, so you can check how much it is engaging or helping to the users. There are also other things to do for like content promotion and ad copy or landing page. You can do so many much other things for using this tool. Let's see how we can do this. So once you reach to the website, which is called anyword.com, I put the link of the website in the description, you can find there. So when you reach it, this kind of homepage will appear. So for using this tool, you need to create your account like this. So I have already created my account, so this kind of homepage will appear after when you create your account. So you need to click on the new project. Once you click on the, so you can choose whatever you want to generate, like an ad or landing page or an email subject line you want to create, or even you can do a content promotion, or you can generate a blog post outlines or other things. You can do this. So I am choosing an ad which I want to generate for my social media platform. So you need to fill out the project name, so I can fill the ad. And so what is the business type you need to choose, or if you have a website already, and you can directly put it there. If you don't have any website or you have product, so you can choose it. So suppose, let's say I have a product which is a course, an investing guide for the newbies. My product which is called investing guide, which is a course. So I have put it there, and there are some little introduction. This is more about just 2 lines, so it will be easy for the AI to generate a similar content like this, a more engaging content to the user. So I put my little description about it, and let's see, need to create a project. So it is generating outlines or a content for me. So let's see. So you can see there are modes, so which you need to choose which social media platform you can generate. So suppose a Facebook or an Instagram, you can choose a headline or a print text. So let's see. So just need to click on the generate. So it is generated some content for ad content for my course. I think these are the best. In the right hand side, you see this is the score. So over the score, you can see it is more targeting using 25 to 34 age group, and other than you can see this is the age group which is the most targeting, and you can see the percentage of the male and the female which is more attracting to which age group. So this is also a very good thing. You can also use it, so it is very beneficial to you. If you don't like in this form, so you can choose a list type, which you just need to click on the list and you can generate more. So it will give the text in the form of list. So it is generating now. So it is generated in the form of list, and it is very engaging, other than less than the creative one. So it is score of 77, and it is a very wide variety of targeting age and gender. So let's see, 3 better returns, like this is about diversity, and this is the values. You see, you need to choose any of this text which is have a very less score. You need to choose when the score is the green and above the 65 score. So I am choosing the 77, which is and just need to click on the copy, so it is directly copied to my clipboard. Or if you want to save it, just click on the save, so it will directly saved in your project directly. It also have any other forms like PAS, a Page Agent Solution Framework, and like AIDA, Attentive Interest and Direct Action Framework for directly attention users. So you can choose this also. If you want to generate a headline, click on the headline, and you can click on the generate the better headline for my ad to the Facebook or Instagram. So this the headline. Previously I have a headline called investing guide, the course headline guide. So I think I need to choose the 10 tips and tricks for investing, which have a score of 71 and more targeting to 25 to 34 age group, and more to the gender also. So this is the best headlines I can choose, so it is more attracting to the users. After that, if you generate a headline for a Google search headline, so you can also use this, a description for headline. You can click on the headline and click on the generate, so it will generate the content according to the Google. And previously we were generating for the Facebook and Instagram. So like you can see this investing guide creative mode. So this is the very useful thing, you can have it. So if you want to get the generate the description, click on the description and you can generate, and directly you can, if this is a very good thing, you can directly save it according to your use. So this is a good thing. You can also generate a Procurator and Taboola native ad. You can also generate ad for the LinkedIn and like headline, the description. This is very for Twitter also. You can generate, click on the title and click on the generate, then it will generate for you, and it have also a predictive score, so you can directly use and choose which one have the high predictive score and which is more engaging to the users. So this is the thing, you can generate the ad for any of the social media platform. The left hand side you need to choose whichever you want to generate. When you click on the project and back, so now we will generate now we will choose a blog post. So we can see how the blog post, suppose my title is 10 tips for investing and some description about my blog. So I've already created my little description. You can also paste it like this. I have put it my blog post title and the little description about it, and click on the create project. So now click on the if you want to generate a more title like this, suppose this is not this is the very less engaging to the users, I need to improve it. So I need to click on the generate like blog post title, and this should be at 22 out of 80, and this is not very engaging. So click on the generate. So now it will generate the blog title for me, which is like see 10 tips and tricks for 10 investing head, which is have 82 score, and so 10 investing tip like has 10 kind of. So 10 investing pointers from the pros, so it is have a 77 score. So I think I need to replace my headline for 10 tips for investing to this one, which is like more suitable for me. I also can generate the outline for my blog, like which points I need to write, which is more engaging or more attracted towards my audience. So when I click on the generate, is generating like it is generate some section like when to invest, where to invest, what to invest in, and with type of text, and tips for hunting, why should you investing. So I think this is the most. So I click on the save. It is saved permanently in my project, and if you like more, you can also save this also. I think this is also a good thing. If you are not satisfied in any of these, you can click on always, you can click on the generate mode. It will also anytime if you want to change your settings or whatever things, you can directly change it in the right hand side of the panel. And I also want to generate an M5 intro paragraph, which is not easy, which is not good. So if you want to add your own words, you can also type it, otherwise you can click on the generate. I'm clicking on the generate. Let's see how it is generating. So yes, it is generated some paragraphs for my blog, and it has some less performance score. So I need to optimize it according to my opinion, so I can usually optimize it. So I'm choosing this. I just click on the save button. Just it is saved in my project always. So this is my second project which I can do with Anyword. Otherwise this is the project which I have run it, so directly save it anytime. So you can always open anytime your projects. So when I click on the new project, if I want to generate some content promotions, when I click on this, suppose you have a product, you want to directly sell it to the users, or you have already created content on your website, put the link of the website in the description in this URL and choose the business type, you can directly have it. Like otherwise, if you have some like course like me, I don't have a website right now, so just I can choose directly like title 10 investment tips. So I'm also just pasting this other again and create project. You can see this. You can also promote your content using this on various social media platform like YouTube. Promote your content with Twitter and the LinkedIn or Facebook headline or Aquarian and Taboola. You can also use it. So I'm just getting content for my Facebook headlines. Let's see, click on the generate. So I can promote my content very easily in a more effective manner. So you can see the most engaging mode. It is has an ultimate investing guide. This is the headlines I need to choose for my course. So I think this is the good one, and I need to save it. If you want to generate more like these headlines, click on this. It is generated these other headlines also, like the ultimate investing guide, the ultimate investing, but these have a less performance score, so I always go with the 70 more performance score, which is 71. So this is, I have choose this, which I have already saved it. You can generate a headline for a LinkedIn, so you can click on the LinkedIn. So these are the many other tools you can use it, and it's a very good tool. I'm affiliate in this AnyWord, so if you click on my link, you will get 20-30% discount on your first purchase, and it is very interesting.